So Cryptohopper comes in number 4 on my list. And the things I like about it is the pros are the plug and play. You can tweak strategies, and there's custom strategies as well. And they also have backtesting. And backtesting means that you can put your strategy into play and then go back and see how a coin would have performed based on that coin's performance, what your return would have been. The cons is there's some strategies that do charge fees. Features, professional external signals. Has a great design look to it. There's good community support, and of course they offer the backtesting. And it's supported on Bittrex, GDAX, Kraken, Poloniex. The pricing is actually pretty good on this one. So you can get 80 positions with a 10-minute refresh at $19.99, or they have a $49.99 and a $99.99 version. And then a $99.99 version offers arbitrage, which if you're a beginner, I wouldn't mess with that right now, but more advanced people already know what arbitrage is.